Welcome back to Broken, no, Vice, no, what the heck is this? Not Pro, that's it. Not Pro Garage, or Dingleberry Garage, whichever you prefer. We're working on the Jeep, the green machine. The outside of the door won't open, the latch fell off, I'm guessing. So, I'm going to try to fix it, or die trying. But first, I think we need to get this off. I need this. Look at my messy garage. Just a messy boy. There it is. We're going through home renovation. We're going to renovate this home so it looks so good that I can't even find it. Well, I think that's what my wife hopes, at least, right? Probably. These things are a bugger because there's a freaking clip. You gotta get the clip. Got it. That's the clip I was talking about, right in there. It's a real bugger. And to put it on, you're just gonna push it back, and it will go on. Let's see if we got it. That'll be pretty quick. Not there, not there, down there. Donut. I hate these things. There are two bolts at the bottom, two little screws. I'm going to replace them with regular screws. Just to find that shape is just difficult. So it looks like my mic broke right there. I'm looking at the clips, seeing which one's missing, what doesn't look right. Trying to get the lay of the land. So what happened was I went out to my Jeep to open it on the driver's side door. And guess what? Absolutely nothing happened, of course. Well, this is my 2000 Jeep TJ. The door handle stopped working. And after tearing into it, I found a broken clip, and even the middle tab snapped off too, but that's just old parts, especially the doors. I think I got them from the East Coast, like New Jersey, to get the full steel doors. At this point, I just had to make it work. Lubed it up a bunch, tried to clean it up. Nothing fancy. I had some clips that I used for the Power Wagon, so I figured I'd just try to use one of those to get it working for a while until I can actually get that metal tab shipped from the Evil Bay. Nothing fancy, just trying to figure out keeping the old TJ alive, the green machine with different colored doors. Here's the clips I got from that jungle place, that robs workers and gives you things at a semi-decent price. I'm grabbing one of the clips, trying to figure it out. End up settling on a yellow colored one, which was the bigger one that could connect to the rod. I did end up finding the metal tab that was broken off and squeezing the other two lines together on that clip to make sure it will stay on for a while, and just keep the patch so it keeps going down the road. So here I'm showing you the clip, and I was able to find some of the metal tabs that weren't broken off and could hold. So I got the door handle working fine again. I can start opening the car, not having to crawl over like some damn animal. What started as a simple fix, I had to pivot, find some broken tabs, find a clip, trying to make something to work just like all of you, just making it work.